Welcome back to Parenting Pro Tips. Are you ready to unleash your child's creativity without worrying about the mess? Today, we have something exciting in store for you. We're sharing 5 super fun and mess-free art projects that will keep your child entertained for hours while sparking their imagination. Project 1. Our first project is all about exploring the magic of watercolor resist art. Your child will create stunning masterpieces with just a few simple materials and a lot of imagination. Demonstrate the watercolor resist technique, showcasing vibrant and creative results. Project 2. Get ready to make some unique and personalized tie-dye creations. We'll show you a mess-free method that will bring out your child's inner fashion designer. Demonstrate tie-dye techniques using simple tools and fabric paints. Project 3. It's time to bring out the artist within. We'll introduce you to a mess-free painting technique that will amaze your child and produce beautiful works of art. Demonstrate the use of unconventional tools like cotton swabs or sponges for painting. Project 4. Who doesn't love making crafts with colorful paper? We'll guide you through a mess-free paper quilling project that will result in intricate and stunning designs. Demonstrate paper quilling techniques, showcasing the precision and creativity involved. Project 5. Get ready to dive into the world of sensory art. We'll show you how to create captivating sensory bottles that will engage your child's senses and provide a calming and mesmerizing experience. Demonstrate the process of making sensory bottles using various materials and colors. And those were just 5 of the super fun and mess-free art projects we have for you. Get ready to ignite your child's creativity without worrying about the cleanup. So, if you're ready to embark on these exciting art adventures with your child, be sure to watch the full video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest parenting tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and get ready to create masterpieces together. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.